Precise fuel pressure delivered to your carburetor-fed Toyota is beneficial whether your rig is stock or built. Get everything you need to control your pressure with our low-pressure fuel kit. The kit includes a low-pressure regulator with mount, an inline T-fitting, pipe plug, and low-pressure fuel gauge. Mount the regulator to a secure location. We recommend the fender well. The line coming from your fuel pump will attach to the inlet on the regulator. Run an additional line from the outlet on the regulator to the T-fitting. Don't forget to slide your clamps over the hose first. Note that the factory Toyota fuel line is 1/16 of an inch smaller than the Weber hose barbs. Slide pressure is all that is needed to fit the line. You may need some extra fuel line depending on where you choose to install the components of this kit. Plan that out and pick up some low-pressure fuel hose if needed before you start. Find a spot in the fuel line that works for you to install the T-fitting. It needs to be in line before the carb and after the regulator. Thread the MPT plug into the port on the T-fitting when the gauge is not in use. When ready to test the pressure, simply remove the plug and thread the gauge in. It is recommended that you do not leave the gauge installed under hood, as the heat and vibration from the engine can cause it to fail prematurely if left in full time. We also offer a more robust liquid-filled gauge. To adjust the regulator, first remove the acorn cap nut on the face of the regulator. You'll note that you cannot turn the set screw after removing the cap. You must loosen the base locking nut first. Adjust the pressure to your desired setting. Then, tighten the base nut back down. You may need to hold the set screw when doing so. Replace the cap nut when you're finished to protect the set screw. Get kits like this and more from your trusted source for your Toyota since 1985. LC Engineering Performance Toyota.